Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious egg roll. If you want to know a tip on how to make your egg roll to be done evenly, stay tuned and enjoy. So here are the list of my ingredients. So we have 4 cups of flour, 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon nutmeg, 8 boiled eggs, 1.5 cup of water, 3 tablespoon milk, 3 tablespoon butter, and pinch of salt. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using for this egg roll. Stay tuned guys. So we'll be combining all the dry ingredients together. Mix them to combine. Then we'll be adding in the 3 tablespoon butter. So I'll be using my hands to rub it in. My hands are clean, it's thoroughly washed. So I'll use my hand to rub it in. So after then I'll be adding in the water to get the dough. So here is my dough. Don't over knead the dough. I'll be covering it to rest for like 10 to 15 minutes before working on it. So this is my boiled egg. So here is my 8 boiled clean shell-free egg. So I'll be adding in my oil, vegetable oil for deep frying inside my pot. So I'll keep that to be getting hot. It's on fire. So here is my dough, well rested. So I'll divide this dough into 8 places for our eggs. So guys, so you can see the way I'm doing it. I'm using my thumbs to press it in, then I'll pinch it at the top and roll it with my palms. You have to pinch it so that when it's on fire it will not open. Roll it very well to become smooth. So here we go guys. So I'll repeat the same process till I'm done with the dough. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here and you have watched to this extent, please subscribe, like, comment and share. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be replying your comment as soon as it's dropping, I promise that. So like our video, share, and please always come back to watch. If you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for watching. So here I'm testing my oil to see if it's hot. You can see the oil is bubbling. That means it's okay to deep fry. Don't let your oil to be over hot. When it's over hot, your egg roll will be brown at the back, but the inside will not be done. So the tip to get it done evenly is not to let your oil to be over hot before putting your egg roll inside. So I don't know if I'm making sense anyway, but I think you get what I'm saying. So this is the second batch going inside. Now my oil is hot, so I have to load the flame of my fire very well so that everything will done. See how fresh it is. So the second batch, which is the last batch, is coming out. You can see our egg roll. Thank you guys. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section how your own come out. Thank you for the support. See you all in my next video. Bye.